Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of your upcoming and newest activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 16 is protein. All right, so now the benefits of protein are it helps provide the body with energy and carries oxygen to the body. Okay, different foods that are rich in protein are quinoa, nuts, beans, tofu, eggs, fish, shrimp, chicken, and much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity today in just a moment. Today's Fast 5 workout is going to be 1. High knees, 2. Squats, 3. Flutter kicks, and 4. Planks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those workouts in just a moment. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1, we're going to do high knees. So if you're new to this, what you're going to do is put your hands out in front of you as a target, get your knees up. So if you want to just march in place, okay? And then if you're comfortable, you're going to go a little bit faster. And then if you're really comfortable, you chop your arms and move your hands and feet as fast as you can. That is 1, that's high knees. 2 is going to be squats. Feet shoulder width apart, make a nice base. We're going to put our hands in front of us and we're going to drop our bottom. Make sure that you are not dropping your back down. That is not a squat. That your feet are shoulder width apart and you drop your bottom. Try to get it as low to the ground as possible. Okay. Number 3, we have flutter kicks. Now flutter kicks, you're going to go down on your bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to lean your torso back and get your legs up and then go up and down. Those are called flutter kicks. And number 4, we're going to go into a plank position. So you have 2 options for your plank position. You guys can do a push-up plank, but you want your arms about shoulder width apart. Your hands are flat. Don't turn your wrist out. That's a big mistake that you don't want to do. You can actually injure your wrist. Hands are facing forward. You can do a push-up plank. That's one way right there. The second way is going to be on your forearms. Your forearms, okay, right here. Not your elbows, your forearms. And then hold that plank position there, okay? I'll give you a side angle. Again, push-up plank, straight back. I don't want to see no mountains. I don't want to see any seals, okay? Make sure your back is straight. Or, again, you can go on your forearms, same thing, straight back, okay? Now, get ready to go. We'll do our Fast 5 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. High knees. You breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's go. 10 more seconds. And 1, stop. All right, number 2. We're gonna go into those squats. Ready, and go. Okay, make sure you drop that bottom as low as you can. Again, breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Good job. You guys are working your bodies. You're doing a great job. Keep it up, don't stop. When you want to quit, all right, next one up. We're gonna go with on your bottoms. Let's go, flutter kicks. If you want to challenge yourself, stay a little more upright like me, and then go lower. And then go up, and then go lower. Woo! You want to maintain your flutter kick at about 6 inches. You're doing great, keep it up. All right, last one. We got plank. We go into a push-up plank this round. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5. It's gonna be a great workout now. A little side angle for you guys. If you feel like going down to the floor, take a quick break on your knees, that's okay. Pop right back up though, okay? Don't give up. All right, let's go. You have a 1 minute break.
Great time to get some water. Get a towel like myself. Wipe that sweat off. And just remember, we still got round 2. We're gonna do the same 4 exercises. One more time. You guys enjoying this workout? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about it.
All right, here we go. Round number 2. Again, the same 4 exercises. 30 seconds. And go, high knees. Seconds left. All right, next one up, let's go. Squats. And really try to get that bottom down. On your bottoms, let's go. Flutter kicks. Go. All right, let's go in planks. This time we're gonna do forearm planks. And go. Again, 30 seconds. Everything you guys got, 30 seconds. You guys wanna close your eyes? Breathe in, deep breaths in. And out. This is it. Again, if you need to take a break real quick, get down, take a break, jump right back in. Don't give up. You did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. This is what we're going to be doing from this point on for this year. Fast 5 workouts, 4 exercises, 2 rounds, lots of fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to get into our activity of the day in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Let's Go for a Run. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this activity, we're going to be doing a virtual run. We're going to have different sceneries that we're going to be running with. You guys can go at a nice jog pace. You guys can walk if you need to, or if you guys want to go really fast and go turbo and run, you can do that as well. It's completely up to you. It's just an opportunity for you to get this virtual run in while at home. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll do this virtual run together in just a moment. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that activity of Let's Go for a Run. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite scenery to run to, walk to, jog to. Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.